Hello, Jim and Arcade. Here we have just started up the blister packer, the UPS 300 machine, which you can see is fully working. Of course we have no foil on the machine, because we don't have that, but you can see all the movement. We haven't connected the cooling unit. The cooling unit is here. And here you have the brush feeder, and you have the bowl and the linear evaporator to feed the brush feeder. Here you will see some of the format parts. There's quite a lot, and Morten is going to open the other one. I'm going on the rear side of the machine. Maybe it's quite difficult to say. The wheel in the middle, which are here, is the wheel for the perforation station, but you can see the belt is taking off. It's just a matter of connecting the belt. You can see the movement here. It's just because they have run the blister without perforation. And here you can see the electrical cabinet. I hope it's clear. I will send the video in for a short while, and if you need anything more, I can take some more pictures. Adios.